If dogs have discovered their talent and they are showing it to the world, what are you waiting to work on yours? Get out of your comfort zone. Kenny Arts. Art Inspire. I welcome you back to this channel here at this community where we develop our artistic skills and for the art lovers. Yes, I'm so sorry for the delayed videos for those who want to learn art. I have been busy with the street art project, but I still want to teach some of you who want to learn new skills in drawing. And soon I'm gonna be dropping a video of the drawing techniques using a pen. I know you didn't know that we can rub a pen and we can blend a pen. But for today, we are sharing marketing tips and drawing basic techniques as it was requested by you. And you can also drop your request in the comment section. We can't share drawing techniques without sharing the basic tools you need. So let's start with them for today. The basic tools you need. 1 is paper of your choice. You know everyone has his taste. 2nd is the pencil, any brand of your choice. The 3rd thing will be the erasers or rubbers, as you simply know. The erasers you may need a mono zero if possible, but a kneadable eraser is a must if you don't have that much money. Also the one used in schools. You shall also need a tissue for blending. And lastly, you may need a table where you will be working on, or a stand if you are to work outside. You know everyone has his taste, but for me, for the street art, I use a stand. Here I use a table in my studio. There you are good to go. Don't focus on what you don't have, but start with those basics. You will get there. And on market tips, I have only 2 for you. 1. Don't ask for money if you haven't sharpened your skills. To start with, you can draw your friends and family members for practice, and if you see they come out clearly, then you can go out and ask for money. If you don't do that, you will be ashamed and you lose clients, because they will say your work is amateur and they will never consider you as a serious artist. 2. If you want to do street art, make more research for quick sketching techniques. This will help you and will save you from the outside pressure. You know, on the streets there is a lot of pressure. On the streets, clients want to work in minutes or 1 hour. Yeah, that's enough for today. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned, Kenny Arts. Please subscribe.